Good day lads, welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to fix secure boot and TPM error in Windows 11. So why this happens is pretty much in short because this game is pretty heavy on the anti-cheat side, so they care a lot about that to not be cheaters. So to counter that and to make sure that there are no cheaters, they just enable different kind of methodologies and technologies to prevent that. One of them, of course, is the anti-cheat that is running all the time when you're playing Valorant to make sure of that same thing, to get rid of cheaters. And the TPM 2.0 and the secure boot are also the two features that have to be enabled in your BIOS in order for Valorant to work properly. So as you can see in my case, I can just press on play, everything is enabled, I can just go ahead and start playing. But if in your case something is wrong, you just need to go ahead, open up your BIOS, and make sure to enable those two features. So let me grab my camera and I'll show you where they are and how to enable them. Alright, so I'm restarting my PC now and let me show you guys what to do. So press on delete or whatever hotkey you have to launch your BIOS. I have delete on my particular MSI board. And there you go, this is going to be your motherboard's BIOS. And now guys, let us search for those two functions. Alright, so you go to your settings, then you go to security, and make sure that your secure boot, whatever here, is enabled. As you can see in my case, it's enabled, so all good. And also now TPM. So this feature is going to be called differently on different motherboards. In my case, it should be as FTPM. Okay, so in my case, it's once again security, then trusted computing, and enable this AMD FTPM switch. As you can see in my case, it's enabled and my Valorant is running all good. So FTPM, switch, and trusted boot or trust boot or whatever it's called. And after that, you just go ahead and restart your PC just normally like this. Let me just save the changes like this, and now let your PC restart and everything should be running all perfectly. So that's it, that's the technique of fixing this error. Enjoy guys, if this helps you out, like and subscribe.